Hey, are your subscribers not opening your emails? Well, let me give you 5 pointers that can help re-engage and rekindle the spark that you guys once had. So if you want to learn more, then keep on watching. Welcome back. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sylvia and I'm an online marketing strategist helping beginners improve their email and affiliate business. By the end of this video, you're going to have 5 juicy tips that are going to help you re-engage your subscribers. So let's get started with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is send your subscribers a baby come back love letter. Sometimes a straightforward, honest request is all it takes to re-engage them. Tip number 2 is stop pitching all the time. I get it, we're marketers, and trust me, your list knows that too. But when you send endless promotions in every single email, the appearance of your name in your prospect's inbox will pretty much guarantee lack of engagement. Instead, what you should try to do is offer value in 3 out of 4 emails. Just make sure that you're giving away incredible, useful tips that they can take action on that's relevant to your list. Then after 3 great pieces of content where you attempt to sell nothing at all to your unresponsive list, your subscribers can start to become active again and actually even look forward to your next email. So drop me a comment below. Let me know, how do you engage your subscribers? How do you rekindle that spark? So let's move on to tip number 3, and that is to include a CTA or a call to action in every single email. Remember earlier when I said do not attempt to sell in every single email? Well, that doesn't mean that you cannot include a CTA in your emails. So after revealing some powerful information, this is a great way to tell people what to do. So for example, you don't always have to sell in your CTA. Your call to action can also be leading them to go watch a video on YouTube or go read a blog, or this is also a great way to get traffic to your website. So always keep it in mind to include one call to action in each email. So what if you've done all of that and your subscribers are not engaged yet? Well, your next step is step number 4 is re-engaging those subscribers by giving them a whole new offer. In most cases, it's wise to simply start with a whole new re-engaging campaign with every non-active subscriber that you have. Get them to hop on to a new campaign and a new list. This is a great way to identify subscribers that do not belong in that list anyways, and this will also avoid deleting these subscribers. So remember, deleting subscribers is not always a bad thing, because remember, you are paying money out of your pocket for the number of subscribers to these email platforms like Getresponse. Now here you can see the amount of money that you pay per subscriber, so it's not always a bad thing to delete if they're not engaged at all. Before you delete your subscribers, make sure that you have taken my 7-day email marketing audit challenge to make sure that we've tackled every angle before you say goodbye. And tip number 5 is deleting your subscribers after you've taken my 7-day email challenge. You know that there's nothing else that you can do. There's 2 easy steps that you can take to delete them. Your first step is to monitor your click and open rates. All major autoresponder systems offer both free and paid data monitoring services. This allows you to see how often your subscribers click through those links and open your emails. My favorite autoresponder is Getresponse for its simplicity used for beginners and for its data monitoring features. Now you can try out Getresponse for a free full 30 days. The link is down below if you want to try it out. Now that is an affiliate link and I'd appreciate if you use it. And if not, you can go straight to getresponse.com and try out Getresponse for a full 30 days. The second step is to analyze, how do people respond to freebies? This is a great way to identify dead subscribers. So what you do is compile your best ebook or your best stuff that you normally sell for $49 and you offer it for free to your subscribers. So make it clear in your email that this is a paid product and you're offering it for free for a limited time. So when that time comes, when that expiration comes, you want to check your autoresponder system to see who took you up on the offer. So if no one took you up on the offer, this probably means that they're dead subscribers, and these are probably fake emails or emails that they used to get your freebie in the first place. Then you can consider it safe to delete these subscribers. So there you have it. Now you have this video as a simple guide so that you can rekindle that spark. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next video.